Hello and welcome to English Lessons 101. I'm your teacher Victor. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the pronunciation of the TH sound. Before we start, remember to join our weekly live lessons and check out our online courses. More information in the description box below. Also, you can check out the timestamps if you would like to jump ahead. Remember to support English Lessons 101 by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And now, to the lesson. Alright, let's get started. Let's see, how do we make the TH sound? We make the TH sound by placing the tip of our tongue between our upper teeth and our lower teeth, like this. And then you force air out. While doing so, you need to vibrate your vocal cords. Okay, let's practice. Just pay attention. There, mother, mother, father, father, weather, weather. Just make sure not to put the tip of your tongue between your upper lip and your lower lip, like this, right? The air has to come out, but with vibration. There, mother, mother, weather, weather. Now, in order to feel vibration, you will feel it here. All right? That's a very important tip. All right? Pronunciation practice. Listen and repeat. Northern, northern. Feather, feather. Thy, thy. You can actually find this word in the Canadian national anthem. Either, either. Clothing, clothing. Those, those. There, there. Weather, weather. Mother, mother. Father, father. Now let's check the minimal pairs. So the minimal pairs are words that have a similar sound, but there is a little bit of a change. All right. For example, when you say than and done, then and zen. Okay? Minimal pairs. Listen carefully. Clothing, closing. There, there. Those, those. Either, ether. Weather, weather. Thy, die. Listen and choose the word you hear. You have 5 seconds to choose the correct word. Clothing, clothing. There, there. Those, those. Either, either. Than, than. Thought, thought. Weather, weather. day, day. Then, then. Close, close. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to support this channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. This is your teacher Victor. Catch you later. Bye.